Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator with Bear Bull Traders, and I'd like to do a recap for you today. In today's recap, as I do in most recaps, I like to cover specific topics to address, and today I'm going to be addressing why it's important to have a news service of some sort. At Bear Bull Traders, we have Squawk Box that's provided by Benzinga that we find incredibly helpful. And what this news service does for you is it's a constant streaming source of various news things. When new things happen, news comes out, those create catalyst situations which give you the opportunity to take some really good trades. So today in our chat room, we are looking at all of the various stocks we're trading, having a good time trading this, having a good time trading that. And I was just really interested in what was going to be going on today, but we're looking around and it actually was getting a little bland. I've been rocking a Smile Direct position for a little while. But other than that, I didn't really have a whole lot going on. So as I'm sitting around perusing, all of a sudden the Squawk Box comes out, and you hear about a potential acquisition of GrubHub by Uber, which I figured was going to change things up quite a bit as far as the catalyst goes. Let me move me out of the way here. So what you can see here is Uber was trading insanely flat, throughout the day. I mean, we're basically just consolidating here above VWAP. Nothing too interesting going on. Oh, 1 second. I got a partial coming up here. Let's see if we can grab right here. I'm going to pop near 34 here. I'll go ahead and take it here. It's worth it. Yeah, there we go. Just in case. All right, we got it right in front of 34. Beautiful. All right, so what happened is as we're consolidating here above VWAP, that news comes out. And by the time I flip over to the stock, we're already about this far on this first candle. So you can see the volume change massively, right? This is one of the big instances in which volume indicator can really be a very big help. So you notice here we just had massive amounts of volume. So the news in some ways at least confirmed in the fact that everyone's looking at it. You can see the massive amounts of volume. This, when it started off, the spread was so crazy. I couldn't get in here and manage the risk. So I didn't want to get in too fast. When you have these catalyst moments, you don't want to just go buy and just see what's going to happen, right? You got to wait a second. Actually, Uber's doing an acquisition, possibly, and in a lot of instances when there's an acquisition, the acquisition stock actually drops in value. But I think Uber, with already kind of being on an upgrade, and with the way the market is right now, I think the news is really looked at as potentially good news for Uber. Excellent. Keep on moving. Hopefully we'll get another move up. My next hit's going to be around 34.50. So it moves up really fast, very aggressively, and it looks good. And then it comes back down here, and then we hit here, which is pre-market high on Uber from earlier today. I have DOS auto draw a lot of my levels. Pre-market low and pre-market high are some of my favorites. So, and we did have this level here at 31.83. So when Uber came down and it slammed into pre-market high and through indecision, I was really into it. I thought, you know what, I can get in here, loss of this level, that's really tight, I like it. So I actually went in here and did loss of the candle for an even tighter stop, and I came up here, got a good 2-to-1 partial, and then it came back and stopped me out at break even. I was like, I didn't want to miss this one, so I went ahead and I got back in it there. Loss of pre-market high this time. So exact same risk, exact same shares. I actually went in a pretty good amount of shares on this one, a couple thousand. And then got a nice set of pops up to here. Came back down, held, came up, made a new high, added in, which was beautiful. Got great partials up to here, came back, held, plateaued a little bit here, but accumulated a bit, and then I added for the break and then back up, and we are going partials all the way up to 34. So the managing the trade, obviously, that's on me, and I feel like I did a really good job with that. But to find these stocks and to find things are going on, you need either a community to help you out with that, or in some instances like this, a good news source can really be handy. Uber was not on the watch list today. It's been kind of just doing its thing, not any crazy unusual volume. And then now you've got this going on. I've got a really good position working in here. Pretty soon my average cost is actually going to be below VWAP at the rate this thing's moving. Maybe give me the potential for another ad. So anyway, just a quick recap today. Just wanted to talk to you about why it's so important to make sure you have some kind of a news service or something to bring you news really close to the moment it's happening. When you're stock trading and you're trading momentum, you don't want to be delayed by an extreme amount of time and just be getting into these things a little bit late. So hopefully this helps you out. Benzinga Squawk, thank you very much for the good call out. It was certainly fun to trade this stock today, and I hope everyone has a good one. Thanks.